professional account to personal account. Hey guys, all good? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. And in this video, I'll show you how you can change your Instagram professional account to a personal account. Before that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. Here I make tutorials all the time to make things easier for you. So guys, here on the channel there are already other Instagram videos with questions, curiosities, so you can watch new videos. I'll leave a playlist you might like in the card now. And in this video, I'll show you how you can change your account from professional to personal. So come on guys, I'm already on Instagram on my profile, and you're going to click up here on these three strokes, and you're going to click on the settings and privacy option. In settings and privacy, scroll down, you'll need to find this option, tools for ads and content creators. You're going to click on it. Here you're going to scroll down all the way again, and you'll have the option to change account type. So you're going to click on change account type, and you'll have two options, business account or personal account. So I'm going to click here on personal account. Here it warns you by switching to personal account, as insights in the app are going to be disabled. You're also going to lose access to Meta's tools for businesses, Meta Business Switch, and also the Ads Manager. So if you're sure of the exchange, just click down here to switch to personal account. And there you go guys. If you have any questions, just put them down below in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'm going to be staying here. A big hug. Stay with God. Thanks guys.